In today's video, we're going to be showing you 3 different apps that you can start using to start earning right away. All of these apps have only one purpose and one purpose only, and that is to create an income stream that continues to flow on complete autopilot. Yes, you heard that right. Passive income, just like the way that you guys like it. You won't need to do any work or sell anything at all. Even while you're sleeping, you could literally still be earning, which is just crazy. Now remember that the more apps that we're showing you that you actually use, the most money that you can make. So if you use all 3 apps together, you could be making over $1,000 and even more every single day. Make sure that you watch this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so that you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First up we have for today is called DollarClicks, and to get to their website where you can read more about them, you can just type in dollarclicks.com, and this is what their website is supposed to look like. So basically, DollarClicks is an app that you can earn rewards from and hard cold cash as well by answering very simple surveys. You can get paid through PayPal, bank transfer, Tango gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and many, many more. Now, we want you to comment down below what your preferred method is. We're just curious, and so that we can also use it for our future videos. Now, this website has a lot of partners, all of these ones right here. Paulfish, Offerwall, OneAds, Personally, Peanut Lubs, and so much more, which just makes it more of a guarantee that this website is as legit as it claims to be. The #1 paid survey community goes mobile. It's a mobile-friendly platform to track your progress and complete offers. You can automatically participate in contests and promotions for increased earnings. You can refer other members and earn from their activity for life. You can participate in our active member community, share success stories, and learn from veteran members. There are hundreds of new surveys added daily. There is always something to do. You can get access to the largest inventory of paid surveys available online. You can earn bonuses for joining, and every day for being active, you can convert your earnings to many more gifts and receive instantly. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. As you can see, get rewarded for completing surveys. New offers available daily. Receive rewards in your sleep while your referrals complete surveys. Easiest way to earn Amazon, PayPal, and others. Also available an exclusive affiliate program for maximum referral earnings. There have been over $2 million total rewards claimed, over 500,000 gift cards sent, and now we want to show you some payment proof just so that you guys have something to look forward to when you're about to join. As you can see, there are so many people cashing out their payments through their preferred payment method. There's even the date of when they cashed out. People are literally cashing out $56, $46, $130, and even $190. All of these payments aren't even cents or just small change. These are big dollar bills, and this is how much these people are earning every single day and cashing out every single day as well with this first app. To sign up, just click on sign up now right here, and as you can see, they have a little bit of information inputted on here. So it says earning money at DollarClicks is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start earning money online today. It only takes 30 seconds and is absolutely free to join. Make money online by completing daily offers, paid surveys, trial offers, tasks, polls, and many more. And get paid daily via PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa gift card, Tango card, and Amazon. Also, instant PayPal available. Now add in your personal info, PayPal address or payment info, and mailing address. Once it's all complete and correct, confirm you're not a robot, agree to the terms, and hit create an account, and boom, there's your account, and you can immediately start earning. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Next app is called Big Ticket Commissions, and to get to their website to know more, just type in bigticketcommissions.net, and this is what you should see next. Now, as you can see, this is the world's first automated high-ticket commission system. Brand new web-based app generates instant high-ticket commissions and red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds. We use this app to make $1,000 commissions daily, and it is 100% done for you. Imagine $1,000 made for you every single day. Some benefits would be automated big ticket commissions, so guaranteed results on your first day. There's 100% free traffic included, the fastest and easiest way to bank 5-figure commissions. All-inclusive solution with no monthly costs or extra tools needed, and beat the recession and live the life of your dreams. Basically, on this app, you can insert your affiliate link, activate the free topic, and then sit back and get sales. Now that's crazy. It'll only take 15 minutes and can be done with those 3 simple steps, and the results are game-changing. Look at all these people literally earning and cashing out $1,000 a day. Third app and our last app is called OnePageProfits.com, and on this website you'll see that what this does is that the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 commissions from free traffic. Now this one you can earn at least $300 from, which again, absolutely insane. Automated big ticket commissions like clockwork, multiple income streams from 5 top converting DFY profit pages, passive paydays. These mini cash machines sell you for you 24/7 with zero maintenance. All-inclusive solution with no monthly costs or extra tools needed. Recession-proof business solution with no monthly costs or extra recession-proof business that's growing at double-digit rates. All of this money in a push of a button. This drives autopilot commissions in just 2 easy steps. You paste and plug and earn. It's that easy, so make sure that you check this app as well. And that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.